guys, this is Jackson Vegas, etc. We're checked in right now at Harrah's Hotel. We decided to make another staycation, so come on in. This will be our home for the next 3 nights. We decided to book a 1-bedroom suite. So we have a living space here, pretty good sized TV for your viewing pleasure, and you have a dining space. We have a view here of the Strip. You can see here the Mirage Hotel, their volcano, and up to right will be the Venetian. So also here there's a sink where you can find also your small refrigerator there with your ice bucket. Over here is the bedroom with a sliding door for your privacy. Let's head in. It has a 1 king-size bed, kind of soft, so to sleep in. Another TV. This also have a safe for all your valuables. A small dressing area. We have do makeup, and another seating area. Two seats, like if you want to do coffee or just want to read a book. And another area for a view. Pretty good. Wow, they have a really good bathroom ensemble here. They have a his and hers vanity. They have toiletries. They provided toiletries for you, like lotion, shower cap, even a dental rinse. So I guess you don't have to bring some toiletries. Just all complete in here. Here you can find the shower. That's no door. And they have toiletries dispenser for body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. They have a pretty good size tub. I think 2 people will fit in here. Also here, wow, it's like a barn door type of door. See that? Nice, pretty cool, huh? Using glass. And it's actually the toilet. Okay, nice. It's pretty nice. So at least it separates it from the whole bathroom. So there you are. So that's it for the virtual tour of the 1-bedroom suite at Valley Tower here at Harrah's Hotel. A little later, we're gonna head out to the pool. So stay tuned. If you want to have fun, make sure to stay safe. Bye for now.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care